In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix this error. Ethernet doesn't have a valid IP configuration. So let's get started. Now we're going to look at various fixes and you'll have to go ahead and try all of them out and hoping that one of them works out. The first thing is to ensure physical connection. Physical connection. So ensure the Ethernet cable is securely plugged into both your computer and the network router and modem. Check for any visible damage to the cable. The next one is network adapter settings. Network adapter settings. So go to control panel and then network and internet. From there, go to network connections. Right click on the Ethernet adapter and select properties. Go to the Internet Protocol version 4 tab. Ensure obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically are selected. So there are two options, obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. So make sure that both these options are selected from here. The next one is to renew IP address. Renew IP address. Alright, so for this you'll have to open the command prompt as an administrator, alright? Then you'll have to go ahead and type this following command on the first line, this one, and then click on enter. Then you're gonna write this command and click on enter. Alright, so that is it for the renew IP address. Then we have flush DNS cache. Flush DNS cache. So again, you have to open command prompt as an administrator and then type in the following command ipconfig/flush DNS and click on enter. The next thing and the last one we have is update network adapter drivers. Update network adapter drivers. So go to the manufacturer's website for your computer or network adapter and download and install the latest drivers, then restart your computer. So alright guys, I'll wait for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.